How to overcome datetime.datetime not JSON serializable? I have a basic dict as follows. When I try to do JSONify a sample I get, what can I do such that my dictionary sample can overcome the error above? Note, though it may not be relevant, the dictionaries are generated from the retrieval of records out of MongoDB, where when I print out str sample someday, the output is August 8, 2012 21 column 46 column 24.862,000.
Updated for 2018. The original answer accommodated the way MongoDB date fields were represented as $date column 1,506,816,000,000. If you want a generic Python solution for serializing datetime to JSON, check out Jmont's answer for a quick solution which requires no dependencies. As you are using MongoEngine, for comments, and PyMongo as a dependency, PyMongo has built-in utilities to help with JSON serialization. This URL. Example usage, serialization. Example usage, deserialization. Django. Django provides a native JSON encoder serializer that deals with this kind of properly. See this URL. One difference I've noticed between JSON encoder and using a custom default like this is that Django strips a bit of the data. So, you may need to be careful about that in some cases.
My quick and dirty JSON dump that eats dates and everything. Default is a function applied to objects that aren't serializable. In this case it's str, so it just converts everything it doesn't know to strings. Which is great for serialization but not so great when deserializing, hence the quick and dirty, as anything might have been stringified without warning, for example a function or NumPy array.
Building on other answers, a simple solution based on a specific serializer that just converts datetime.datetime and datetime.date objects to strings. As seen, the code just checks to find out if object is of class datetime.datetime or datetime.date, and then uses .iso format to produce a serialized version of it, according to ISO 8601 format, YIMDDTHHMSS, which is easily decoded by JavaScript. If more complex serialized representations are sought, other code could be used instead of str. See other answers to this question for examples. The code ends by raising an exception. To deal with the case it is called with a non-serializable type. This JSON_serial function can be used as follows. The details about how the default parameter to JSON.dumps works can be found in section Basic Usage of the JSON module documentation.
I have just encountered this problem and my solution is to subclass JSON.shunEncoder. In your call do something like JSON.dumps_yarobj, CLS equals datetime encoder, the .iso format I got from one of the answers above.